Alright, hi guys, let's go to pattern focus and find a new pattern for today. This one is called Jawwa. I think I've done this one before. Let's see, wait a minute, let me go back one just to see. No, we don't have the video linked, but I feel like I've done this one before. I really like this artwork that's done here. I think this is stunning. Look at that. It's beautiful. So it's sort of a shark's tooth type pattern. So step number one is to draw this shape here and then this one. So you're going to draw a bracket. Okay. And then you're going to aura that bracket. And then from that bracket, you're going to come down with a swoop and a swoop like that to make this sort of tooth shape. And then you can draw these little lines if you want. That's just really super cool. And you'll notice it's drawn in here twice. Have you seen that? Not only is it here, right? But it's here too. So it's got one up and one down. That's super intricate. I love this. Let's see what we can do with it. Do I want to do it on a square or a rectangle? I don't know. Let me turn on my light and think about it for a second. I think I want to do it on a more square. This one's not quite square, but it's more square than this one. And I think I'm going to do that. Okay. All right. Erase that. Think about that again. Let's do this. I make an 8-sided thing. I'm going to put my little brackets here and then come to the middle-ish. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Brackets are not my favorite shape, but I'm going to do them anyways. So let's do one here. It's going to come like that and like that. And then here, it's going to come like that and like that. Think mermaid tail. I'm going to start with those shapes first. That one lost some of its oomph, but okay. So I'm going to start with that shape, and then I want shape. And then this shape. Like that. And then I want to do another one here. And this one's gonna go this way. Like that. That's cool. I like that. I'm just going to give them a little shape, some dimension. Putting a little bit of dark on this side. I'm going to do these, but I want to do it in a really thin pen. I'm going to find my thinner pen. Okay, where's my pens? I need my super thin. This is my 005. It's got a super duper fine tip. I'm going to do that. Do I need to do a question? Do you take a vitamin daily? When I remember. Just a multivitamin. Nothing fancy, nothing special. But I don't always remember. So do I take it daily? No, well, probably not. 4 or 5 times a week? Yeah. That's usually about as often as I remember. Okay, I like that. Away. It needs something around the edge. I'm going to do like a almost like a shadow. Something like that. And then I think on the inside, I want, here I want this is a gray, so it's a little bit different color. Don't know if it'll pick it up on the camera or not, that it's slightly different. What was it called? Jawwa? Something like that. Jawwa. And it definitely needs a bit of shading. It's going to get some here. Something like that. And then you know what's coming next, right? The white. White is coming. I love this. This one's cool. Might not have been a pattern I would have picked, but you know, I really, pretty much any pattern that I put on a tan tile that I use the white, I tend to really just love. I think it's just, it's something about these colors that just make me happy. There we go. Okay, finished. You guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. Let's see how far. Let's see, we got, oh, we only have one more left for this week. Okay, I guess I'll see you tomorrow for the end of the week. You guys have a great day, and I'll be back. Bye-bye.